In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link to a sheet within your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. So did you know that you can actually link some of your sheets within your spreadsheet? In this example, I'm going to try to link to these 3 sheets right here on this master sheet. So I'm going to put in some descriptions right here, and next to them would be the links to those spreadsheets. Let's get started. So this example is actually from a video where I created multiple dependent drop-down lists. I'll leave a card at the top right corner of this video for you to check out later. And in that video, I have 3 references right here. So the first reference that I actually created to create this drop-down would be my genre. So our genre reference list, here we go, would be our sheet 1 right here. So to create that link or to insert that link, we're just going to press Control K or Command K on our keyboard. There you go. We can put here genre, then create or search our link, which is our sheet number 1. There you have it. So I'm just going to select that, and there you go. So we have the word genre with this link right here. If I click on it, it automatically opens our sheet number 1, which is our reference for our first drop-down list right here. Let's move on to our second reference, which is our year reference list. I'm just going to copy that, rename it to year. Here we go. We're going to put in our link. Again, Control or Command K. Let's put in year. And again, for our link, that's going to be sheet number 2. There you have it. And there you go. If I click on that, again, it automatically jumps to that sheet or tab. So this is all the year reference for our dependent drop-down lists. And finally, of course, you already know the drill. I'm just going to paste that, rename it to movies. There we go. Control K, or I can also just right click and select insert link. It will do the same thing. Or you can go to our toolbar right here, select more, and select this one right here. So all of that goes back to inserting our link. So we can put in movies, and of course, sheet number 3. There you have it. Again, click on it, and it will jump right to that sheet. And there you have it. That's how you can link to a sheet within your spreadsheet right here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.